Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to remove your old telephone or cable jacks and make them look a little better? Well, you're in luck. I'm going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through a super easy way to remove old telephone or phone jacks and make it look a little better. Now, this is an easy process that we're going to go through today. It's part of Back to the Basics series that we have. So we're not going to do a bunch of drywall patch or anything else. We're just going to do a simple fix that anyone can do to dress up where you have these old telephone jacks, or in this case, a cable jack, but we're going to show you both because telephone jacks have some wires and we'll show you what to do with those. Now, a lot of these older homes have telephone and modem and cable jacks all over the place, and they're kind of an eyesore. So nowadays, things are going wireless. You probably don't want these everywhere, and here you can fix this for just a couple bucks. So if you want to come on around, what we're going to do is first you're going to remove the cover. Again, this is a cable, and it's just a flathead screw. You probably could use just a normal flathead screwdriver. For speed, I'm using this, although these plastic covers can be very soft. Now this one is not even done correctly. This was actually just put into the wall, and it's got a hole in it. You shouldn't have this. You should have a junction box, probably a cable coming out. If that's the case, you're going to go ahead and push that cable back in, and then you're going to get one of these cover plates. I'll link some in the description, but you can get these at any old hardware store. They're about $1 a piece if you buy them in bulk. And then they come with 2 screws that are always going to have painted edges. And again, you should be in a junction box. This was not done to code. But you're just going to put this over here, and you're going to put in the new screw here and here. And then you can just take your hand screwdriver, or you could take your power one if you wanted to. Again, you don't want to over tighten. For speed, I'm going to use this, but you normally would not want to. And just put that back in. And just that easy, we go from this eyesore to that. And again, if there's a cable, we push it in. So let me show you one that's done properly, and it's a telephone jack, what to do with the wires, and also what to do with the box. Stay tuned. All right, so for this video, this is probably more of what you're gonna deal with. This is a double telephone or modem jack. It's the same thing, but this one is gonna have a slightly more complicated repair. Again, that other one was really weird. Normally, you're going to have a junction box like this, which what you should have. You got these telephone lines. These are going to be low voltage. You're not going to hurt yourself on them. If you want to turn off the power, you could, but these literally, there's nothing going through here. There's no voltage on this. It's going through a phone company. It's very, very, like 2 volts. So what you can do is just take a flathead underneath it, and you can pop this off however you want. Now, they're all done a little differently, but basically, if you want to undo the wires or snip the wire, you could. What I like to do is just pop this off of the plate. Then you can put them back in here, and if, for some reason, landlines come back in style, you're set to go. So you're going to take your new cover plate. We actually had another one next to this, so we're trying to really bring this home into the 21st century. So then you're going to take this and screw the cover plate on. And one more little bonus is if for some reason it's not a perfect fit, which it should be, but this one was cut a little large, you can take some caulk or some lightweight spackling, and you can just run that along the top. This is just Fast and Final lightweight spackling. And you can run that along the top, and you can get it to where it really fills that gap. Give it one more bit of caulk. And you can use a wet paper towel or a wet sponge to kind of clean it up. I have a paper towel. And what we're going to do is we're going to dress this up a little bit. We could touch it up with some touch-up paint, and you can make that hole there just kind of disappear. So, again, that's how it works. Hope you appreciate this. It's a simple fix, costs a couple bucks, but it definitely improves you from your circa 1990 home and brings it up a little bit. Again, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Check out all of our Back to Basics series. And remember, with all of these, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.